Primary agricultural credit cooperative societies, PACs, have been playing an important role in meeting the credit needs of a large number of farmers, particularly the small and marginal farmers in rural area. These societies generally provide credit and other services to its members. Some of these societies are also providing facilities like input facilities in the form of cash or credit component to members. Agriculture implements on hiring basis and storage facilities. In order to save the village community, particularly the small and marginal farmers, it is desirable that the PACs become full-fledged multi-service centers. To support PACs to become multi-service centers, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD and Kozhikode District Cooperative Bank jointly formed PACs Development Cell. Kozhikode District Cooperative Bank KDCB took the initiative of forming PACs Development Cell PDC with the support of NABARD. The main role of PACs Development Cell PDC is to undertake capacity building and strengthening of the primary agriculture credit cooperative societies through training, hand-holding, guiding, exposure visits, and other suitable interventions, so that these agencies can deliver financial and non-financial services in an efficient and viable manner to their members. PACs Development Cell started working in Kozhikode District Cooperative Bank since July 2014. The cell started with the identification of 30 PACs. Data of societies for the financial year ending 2013-14 were collected. After preparing suitable questionnaire, formats were circulated among them. Participatory planning workshop of presidents and secretaries were conducted at the Kozhikode District Bank Auditorium, and valuable feedback and suggestions on the methods of empowerment were gathered. Organization Development Initiative training camp were conducted for the presidents and board of directors of Kozhikode and Malappuram districts. The camp was supported by NABARD with the view to bring together diverse stakeholder groups involved in cooperative credit institutions and to build a strong credit structure. The program was facilitated by Dr. Lalita Iyer, consultant GIZ. Training camps were conducted for the staff of PACs and its field representatives. Training program covered diversification of business, product mix, technology adoption, organizational issues, customer service, banking related issues, and preparation of business development plan. To bridge PACs with the technology, exhibition and conference on banking technology, equipment and services was conducted, which provided a stage for the primary agricultural societies to come together to explore, understand, and deliberate on the changes and opportunities in adapting innovative banking technologies. Banking technology vendors across the country demonstrated their products and services. In 2014 December, PACs Development Cell started financial inclusion and credit literacy program in districts. PACs has taken actions to reduce overdue. Earlier there was no structured collections approach, leading to end customers not being contacted for over 1 year. Promise to pay action plan was formed. As per this action plan, a follow-up process at regular intervals of 3 days was initiated. To follow customers, telecalling started to collect the day after payment is due. To make avenues for experience sharing among other PACs in developing member-focused program development, exposure visit to other successfully running PACs and farm clubs were conducted. To create and share new avenues for the PACs exposure visit helped to delivering center through the concept of multi-service centers. PACs Development Cell devised an innovative strategy and implementation plan that made the project a huge success. It starts identification of unbanked villages. Door-to-door activity were conducted for capturing saving account. The work of organizing the camp had been taken up beforehand with the involvement of prominent village school teachers. A project implementation and monitoring committee was put in place with the secretaries of PACS and officers of Kozhikode District Cooperative Bank under the leadership of General Manager, Kozhikode District Cooperative Bank and District Development Manager, NABARD. The committee met every month to review the work done and to address all the problems and success encountered in process. To link with SHG, JLG and Kudumbashree and to motivate rural women in the area, PACS Development Cell, Kozhikode and Primary Service Cooperative Banks jointly conducted jackfruit processing training for SHG of 8 villages in Chekyad Panchayats, where scores of women, men and Kudumbashree groups were given training in making value-added products out of jackfruit. We were able to link SHG with the PACS and also created an opportunity to work jointly with the SHG, JLG units. Events were conducted in schools to sensitize the young on the benefit of saving. World Environmental Day was celebrated in schools too. The focus of the program was to inculcating social and financial habits among students. Student Police Cadet and Police Department was the main sponsors of the program. 160 students' accounts were opened. Live programs were done to encourage the community to share their fears, problems and successes. The two-way approach of creating awareness and providing support to PACS on the ground through field helped PACS Development Cell to change 15 loss-making PACS into profit out of 18 PACS selected the first year, forming 50 SHGs, 45 KCCs, 25 JLGs, 20 Farmer Club and facilitating 70 general loans. This effort to bring into people into the fold of PACS has never seen before. But of course, this is just the beginning and PACS Development Cell continues to work tirelessly and is committed to ensure that Kozhikode District Cooperative Bank will achieve 100% of PACS in profits.